So this is a Power BI demo class. And there are two demo classes. And today is the first demo. And tomorrow is the second demo. And the first demo, first 20 minutes, I will cover introduction. And 40 minutes, I will cover types of data, types of IT applications, types of BI applications, MS BI versus Power BI versus Azure BI. What is Microsoft Fabric? So this kind of stuff I will cover. You can ask me, what is this content? Sir, I'm not showing any example today. I'm not going to show any example today. Millions of examples available in the YouTube. But you will not get subject in the YouTube. You will not get the real-time information in the YouTube, entry-oriented information in the YouTube.
Anything we cannot understand the YouTube also. Actually, we are watching the videos, but sometimes if you have a doubt, difficult to clarify, who will clarify?
Yes. But if you expect a systematic learning, a proper learning from the scratch, yes, you need to know this. And don't feel like when the trainer is not covered a good example or a complex example in the demo. No use of it.
You have to write down.
No need to write anything. Everyone listen to it. Online people, please do not write anything. Just listen to it. And if you're not able to understand, stop me and ask me immediately. Whether you're a fresher or experienced or you're having some experience in IT, does not matter. The content you must understand thoroughly. Because whatever the BA I explained from Microsoft side only. And you're supposed to know why three BAs from Microsoft.
Difference between MS BI and the Power BI.
Yeah, I'm about to explain, sir. So this content. So what is BA? Why do we use it? And what are the differences? So what is Fabric? So this stuff you need to know. And tomorrow's session is the second demo where I cover 10 minutes the recap of today's part. And then 15 minutes I will cover Power BI components, Power BI installation, software installation with one example, simple example. Sir, I would like to know more so that the depth you are taking the classes. Go to YouTube. VinayTech House has a YouTube channel, but we kept a couple of videos. You can look at the videos to see the depth of practical. I'm one of the good trainers in the market. Don't worry about the quality or the depth of practicals. So these are the two demo sessions. And first demo, second demo. Next. Coming to introduction part. So Microsoft Fabric, Power BI demo. We are completely advanced level. So I'm using the tools as well in the same way. Moving forward, you see multiple AI tools in the classes. Multiple AI tools.
AI tools.
Yes, with easy understanding and more better understanding. I will not use notepad or some word pad to type and explain it. So graphically and visually, I will explore more the content. So it saves my time and your time, and you can easily understand. You can quickly access the part. So coming to training details, my name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. And you can call me 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. And on this number, I'm a working lead consultant, and the training type is basics to advanced. So demo level, I take non-normal content. So basics to advanced. The duration is 50 to 60 hours. The current class. Sir, I have seen many institutions who are taking 10 days, 15 days, 20 days. And why are you taking 2 months? Sir, you will get all this. You will get all this in your WhatsApp level as well as your email ID.
Okay.
Who all provided email address, they will get all the details. Just listen, focus. And basics to advance the training time, 50 to 60 hours. Sir, I have seen 20 hours, 15 hours training, but why do I require 60 hours? If you want to learn in detail Power BI, then 60 hours. I just want to learn basics or some important topics, 15, 20 hours. And do you think a software with 15 hours will give a very good life? If that is the case, everyone will enter into IT and learn 15 hours only. Do you think it will give a very good package, good designation, good career path with 15 hours learning? If you want to learn MS Office also properly, it will take 1 to 2 months. Even MS Office. What about Power BI? People may say like that, yeah, you can learn in a week or 2 weeks, Power BI. Just reporting 1 2 examples they cover, some visuals they will touch base, that's it. But in detail is always different from the basics learning. So my training covers from basics to advanced all part. Daily 1 hour, and my 1 hour is sufficient for you to practice 2 to 3 hours time. So my 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours. If I take 2 hours, it's overwhelming for you. You may not practice because 8 hours dedicatedly into sit. Since with my experience, whatever I'm covering, and if you want to do it your own, it takes time. That's the reason fast track I don't enter time. But still, our institute offer fast track, and you already got a job or you in rush for a project. Yes, we have a couple of trainers, they will help you for one-on-one and fast track. But if you really enter into IT, you really plan to enter into IT, and you're expecting a good career, learn slowly, normal track. And weekly Monday to Friday classes, monthly to Saturdays you have sessions. And maybe a live session or some edition session. Class board online, offline both. And this is about my training details. And institute side will provide videos access. Daily videos you will get. And 1.5 years access. Communication is WhatsApp.
1.5 years access. You mentioned 1.5 years access means
Videos access. So communication, WhatsApp, and material theory, material practical you will receive. And FAQs and mock interviews also covered. And tabular cube classes for 1 hour I will cover. SQL sessions for 4 hours I will cover. And many companies asking database knowledge, so I'm covering SQL for 4 hours. But my recommendation, learn whole course, SQL language course, or SQL Server, or Oracle, but prioritize 9 topics. What are the 9 topics? I will give you the list, just follow it. In the real time, while working with BA applications, you don't use all concepts of SQL, only limited concepts use, those you need to learn. But my 4 hours goes in a different way, and I'm not going to cover these 9 topics, but it goes in a different way, useful way. And 2 near real-time projects I cover so that you get end-to-end understanding in the real time, and multiple case studies. So my classes mostly deal with case studies and projects. So training objective, real-time working perspective, it's helpful for you. That's the reason 50 to 60 hours. Interview suitable, and PL 300 examination. This is Power BI examination from the Microsoft. You are preparing for it. Yes, 70 to 80% you can crack from this class. Sir, what if I want to write my own and 100% score I want to get? I'll give you some dumps. I'll say give you guidance freely, no charge for it. Just follow it. You will get it. And you want to generate your own reports. Also, the current training is helpful. You're a manager. You don't want to try in IT, but you want to generate your own reports in a proper way, systematically. Then this is helpful. Got clarity? Right. And general free FAQs. Many people ask me, sir, who is eligible to learn Power BI? Any graduate. Nowadays, no restriction. Any graduate can learn. And what type of component is Power BI? It's a low code component. Very less code. I'm not saying no code. Less code only we have. That less code is a language called DAX language, and which is used for business calculations creation. How come Microsoft will give you your business calculations? We must write it. So for that low code, we write it. So this is a low code application. Okay, sir, I will learn 50 to 60 hours. And what are the roles I can try in the market? You can try as a report developer in the market, technical side.
it's what
You can try as a BA developer in the market. You can try as a data analyst in the market, technical and functional side. And you can try as a business analyst in the market, technical functional side. Or you can try as a data scientist. So for data scientists, you require Python as well, and Spark as well, and a couple of other as well. So these are the various positions you can try in the current market.
The technical plus function is what I think data analysis is what.
I'll answer, sir, please. So technical and functional. Here, functional means business domain knowledge and business functionality experience. So Power BI is giving bread and butter in different ways. Technical side, report developer, BI developer, and you are already working in finance industry for the last 10 years, 15 years. And yes, you can try as a financial business analyst. That time your financial knowledge plus Power BI reporting knowledge, both.
So Power BI comes in technical. So yeah, it is a technical, yeah, it's a reporting related.
Technical component, reporting. So you can try as a pure reporting, a techno-functional, or data scientist. So available batches, 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m. is not available, 6 p.m., 7 p.m. And this is a current slot. 7 to 8 p.m. is the current slot.
What about the
So
morning slot?
anything you guys want to ask? Yes, absolutely. Pharmacy or any graduate students eligible. And there are many pharmacy students who learned and got jobs in IT. Many pharmacy students.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Coming to, yes, sir, you're asking something.
Morning, actually, morning slot.
Yeah, I will let you know later. Regarding demo, kindly ask. So regarding the screen, ask your questions.
So business analysis and the data is, what is the difference actually? What is the difference between data analysis and business analysis?
Shall I explain at the end of the session? Right. So kindly provide your email address and mobile number in the chat room. So that the current document, what I'm explaining, I will provide you. The video also I'll share with you. Do not write anything. You're all well professionals. Please listen to it. Guys, in the 2 months, I'm going to cover project environment, some subject, Power BI concepts in detail, and components. Environment level, data warehousing fundamental, data modeling fundamental. These two compulsory because you deal with the data. Agile methodology, GitHub versioning, and projects and case studies. Two near real-time projects and multiple case studies are covered. And database in SQL. In real time, you may bring data from the database and display in Power BI or generate a report. That time, you require knowledge on database connectivity as well as SQL language. This is a language used to work on databases. I will give you 3 to 4 hours. My recommendation, learn whole course wherever you want to learn. Even if we offer SQL, very strong SQL we offer, separate trainer is there. I don't take SQL classes, he will take for 40 days. So you can join for SQL and you can prioritize 9 topics. And SSAS Tabular Cube. Tabular Cube classes are required and I will take 1 to 2 hours. And job trials, in case you are preparing for a job, resume preparation, FAQs, mock interviews needed, yes, I will conduct. And Power BI subject. So this is regarding project real time. Power BI subject level, I will cover cloud components. And if you go to online portals and normal trainers, 90% trainers cover only this part. 95% trainers cover only this part, desktop. But I cover both. Desktop I will cover for 40 days, 40 to 45 days. And this I will cover for 10 days, Power BI service. It's a cloud service. And I will also provide you accounts to operate. Compulsory you require accounts. Till 2 years, I will provide you Power BI service accounts. Any opportunity, job opportunity, if you open in Power BI level, yes, nowadays this is available. So you must learn strongly. This is helpful to develop a report. You want to create a report, but the report you want to share to customers. Customer views you need to take. Customer understanding you need to take and implement it. Then service is required. Next. On-premises components. Some people not ready to use Power BI in the cloud level. Yes, for them, these components available. And Power Apps, Power Automate. This understanding also will give you 2 hours. Minimum 1 hour and maximum 2 hours.
Is a paging related report built up about it?
చెప్తాను సార్ అవన్నీ. Okay. So this is a subset. Cloud components I cover, on-premises components I cover, Power Apps I cover, Power Automate I cover 2 hours. Don't worry, each and every word I will explain in detail. But if I started explaining a particular word, our demo will not be effective. So this is a subject what I'm covering. And this is specially designed for the people who want to work in the real time and who want to try for the jobs. The technical side or functional side, both the sides. Now, institute provide good theory, practical material, daily live class videos. The training is fully practical with the training. Resume preparation sessions. And you will be having good interaction with me. And WhatsApp group also created. FAQ is also discussed in the classroom and after the class. Now, sir, I want to try as a pure technical resource, a report developer. My course is good enough. You can keep your resume less than 5 years of Power BI. More than that, not possible. And nobody can keep more than 5 years by learning. So 3 to 4, ideally good. With Power BI related, you may have experience 17 years, 20 years, no matter. But related to Power BI, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years maximum. After learning.
So for that we need Power BI development DEX plus SQL. So Power BI.
This is the first opportunity.
4.5 years.
And first opportunity. Next, Power BI support resource, admin resource, Power BI plus MSBI, Power BI plus Tableau or ClickView, Power BI plus Azure ADF and Data Lake, and Power BI plus Synapse or Databricks. So these are the combinations available. And this is the one 90% opportunities in the market. DAX is a language inside Power BI, which is a low-code language. And Excel, like Excel functions, small functions available, like sum, average, count, these kind of functions. This comes in a database. And I will cover this complete part for 2 months. Around 50 days. DAX, I will take 12 classes. 12 classes of DAX with in detail understanding. So you are highly suitable for this kind of opportunities with this course. Sir, I want to try as a support resource, production support resource. Yes, my course cover partially. I want to try as admin resource. 90% admin part I'm covering. So you can try. As a junior administrator or administrator, you can try. Sir, I'm having some experience or exposure on MSBA. Then try in the combination. And you are having some experience or exposure on this. Try in the combination. Even here also. Sir, I have more experience, 10 years, 12 years, and I want to switch to different stream. Along with Power BI, which one you prefer? Wait till end of the session. Till end of the session. Then you will come to know what is the best combination.
So according to you, which one is best combination?
Okay. Right, sir. And you are keeping more than 5 years. And you have Power BI modeler opportunity, designer opportunity, specialist opportunity, architect. So Power BI level more than 5 years you want to keep happily, you can keep. And these are highly remunerated positions. More package you will get. Good designation you will get in this area. But my course is not suitable to try for this. So at least 1 or 2 projects, end-to-end implementation knowledge is needed to try this. Work experience, end-to-end, 1 or 2 projects needed. So this is also one kind of subject. Don't consider like a demo. One kind of subject. Market awareness, market opportunities, and higher positions. All you're learning. These are the higher questions. And if you have Power BI experience 10 years, 12 years, these are the roles you work.
What is difference between modeler and designer?
Shall I address this at the end of the session?
Okay.
Please remind me at the end of the session. I will address this.
Sure.
So these are the different types of opportunities. And my course is good enough to try 100% on this. Even these two. Next. So I will show you how my students getting jobs and what type of support we are providing them and how we are sharing the videos, etc. For every batch, we create a folder. So this was your previous batch, 7 p.m. And their previous batch folder, lab backup. To practice, you need some lab backup. A strong lab backup I provided. Different types of files, different types of things. Videos. Videos very sequential order here. Day 1, first demo. Second demo, third demo, fourth demo, fifth demo. Sorry, fourth class, fifth class. If you look at this, I started case study in the sixth session only. Case study 1. One more case study. And visual concepts, real-time environment. Case study end to end. So Power BI service concept, desktop concept, DAX sessions. So many classes I conducted for the DAX. And I conducted complex tasks for the interview. Power Automate Microsoft Flow session. And down resume preparation session. Projects also covered. So this is the way for every batch I cover the content and place the videos. And coming to checklist, what I'm going to cover. This is a checklist. Even today you receive all these things. Power BI checklist, all topics. So these are the topics I completed for the batch. So very professional. The number of hours, the content, everything I mentioned. If it is done, a particular topic, yes. This is high level. And when you go to low level, for example, this is the Power BI service subject. I will go to service. Service level, these are the topics I'm covering. And if it is done, done. Every topic. So that students can come to know the progress of the class. And they can identify what type of sub-concepts available in the main concept. So this is a brief checklist. You got a PDF document from the reception, course content, that is different. The same thing in a well-designed way, checklist is. What are the visuals I'm going to cover, visualization level.
All these documents you will send in emails, sir.
Yeah, you will receive this checklist in your email today. I'm creating a folder for your batch, 7 p.m. What is today? October 24. Power BI, VinayTech. Seven PM. Third October. Here you will receive the checklist and all the stuff. What is today? 1_03 underscore 9 underscore Power BI first demo. Guys, you all will get access on this. And here I'm placing the checklist and down, and you can walk through it. So this is a checklist. And today's document also required. I'm placing the document also. That's it. You can go through. First video is completed. Coming to students. See people. These are all the people got jobs and they're working well in the companies. So we are placing the opportunities. We have an opportunities. We have an opportunities WhatsApp group, and we'll place the opportunities here. And off. Recently, I placed all these opportunities. So more than 1,000 in this, and like this, 3 WhatsApp groups are there. Not able to. We'll place the opportunities. And students also get jobs and they get in touch with me. See this person. He shared for the opportunity which I mentioned. I got 12% hike from last year. Performance was good. Really, sir, all your credit. This was 27th. 3 days ago, 4 days ago. Even this person also. He is our student. And he referred people in his company. To people. So hello sir, expressing my humble thanks for the support and guidance. It's my first work anniversary. Thanks a lot, sir. So many people, not 1-2 people. Right. So regarding opportunities, the type of support we are providing, and we tied up with a couple of companies. As and when they have requirement, they will approach us and we'll inform you. And also our students also refer organizations. And if students also place opportunities in the opportunities folder, we can apply for it. And the drive, like this, we will share with you 1.5 year access. Though you are absent, but still you can go to the drive, videos available, you can walk through. So whatever I planned for the first one, successfully completed this part. Introduction, little more time I have taken, but I given complete understanding about this. Now this we need to start. Till 8:10 p.m. the session will run. Kindly stay tuned. Sharp 8:10 p.m. I will close it. So if anyone not yet provided email ID, mobile number, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number. The next part, what I'm going to explain is very, very important. If anyone wants to ask questions, yes, you can take your mic and ask questions. Neil, Anusha, Balsubramanyam, Diya, Krishna, any questions you want to ask?
Hello, sir.
Offline? Yes, please.
My voice is audible. This is Prasad.
Yes, please, sir.
Sir, in Power, do you know OBI, sir? Is OBI is continuation of Power BI?
No relation.
But both are reporting tools, sir.
In the market, 45 reporting tools are there. In the market, 45 reporting tools are there. Okay. So you're talking about OBA. OBA is one of the reporting tools.
But same process is there, right? Same process is there. I mean, same, sir.
In the market, more than 20 mobile organizations are there, mobile vendors.
Okay.
So all the mobile vendors organization process is same. Then why these many? Apple, Samsung, HTC, OnePlus. Many mobiles available. Process is same, right? Why
Yes.
those many? The same way here also. Slowly you come to know.
Okay.
And today, at least 50 to 60% you will understand that part. And guys, I already provided my contact number. Call me after the session.
Okay. Sir.
Today and tomorrow. If you have any personal questions, career guidance, or anything, any kind of information needed, don't hesitate.
Okay.
Take proper guidance, then only start up.
Okay.
I already provided my contact number in the chat room.
So what about non-work students who have given
ఇప్పుడు వచ్చారు మీరు రైట్ సార్ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆన్లైన్
Sir, is it able to Power BI is able to process big data also? Why? Because
absolutely it can process
okay.
Big data and any type of data it can process.
Means there are some tools like MSTR, right?
Correct.
So yeah, means over there for the big data, they are in our organization they are using that MSTR. So just would like to know what, but normal applications they are using Power BI. I'm not sure whether they can again migrate all the things to the Power BI or not.
No. See, it's completely different topic, sir. MSTR and Power BI. MSTR purpose, MSTR capability, MSTR strength is completely different from Power BI. But Power BI level, if you ask me, big data processing is there absolutely possible.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right.
Thank you.
Let me continue now. Guys, this is a hierarchy. Everyone should have good knowledge before startup Power BI. Data to fabric. Stay tuned till 8:10, then only you get complete clarity. Because Power BI is part of fabric now. Then what is fabric? Before Power BI, Microsoft having one more BA. So two more BAs. What are those? Everything you need to know. So data in IT. Anything you're able to store is called data. And knowingly or unknowingly, we are working on 3 types of data. First one, structured data. Table data, Excel data, come under structure. Looks like this. ID, name, age, degree. So this kind of data you see in the table or Excel level. Structure. Second type of data, semi-structured. JSON data, XML data. JSON is a file, JavaScript object notation, extensible markup language. So I'm going to IT content, IT discussion. Don't feel panic. Daily you come across the same if you're non-IT guy. After 3-4 days, you feel very bored about the class. And this technology also. But first day, if you listen to it, what is JSON, what is XML? Definitely new for you, if you are new to IT. But slowly you understand. But after 5 days, you feel everything very simple. And look at this, semi-structured. You have data, 1, BSc, 2, something. Also metadata, student ID, university, age, name, etc. This is called semi-structured. And we have one more unstructured, social media data, like WhatsApp, Twitter, and all. Documents data, PDF, Word, email data, Gmail, Yahoo Mail. This comes under unstructured. Looks like this. So in the IT industry, there are 3 types of data. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are all working. And Power BI has wonderful support for all this. This is the first point I want to tell. And before Power BI, couple of BA tools available at the Microsoft side. And one of our friends said, sir, OBIWA level, you can work on only structured data. You cannot work on semi-structured, unstructured. And legacy reporting tools, if you take Crystal reports, Panorama, SSRS, they support only structured data. This data they will not support. But Power BI has the support. Next, data storage formats in IT. Data, okay. storage formats. First format is file. Data we keep in files. Even since IT beginning, 1940, data we are keeping in files only. But databases are invented after 25 years of file storage. It took around 25 years because people facing issues, keeping data in the files, more data available. I want to keep. I want to manage the data. Very tough to do in the files. So databases are invented. But only two types of formats in the IT. Either file formatted data, database formatted data. Next, storage areas. So IT or non-IT, everyone using two types of storage. Take our mobile contacts. Where are we keeping now? We are keeping in our local contacts. Again, we are taking backup to cloud, our email. Take mobile pictures, videos. Where are we keeping now? First in our mobile level, and then we are syncing. So that is cloud. The Google Drive, or iCloud. These are all the clouds. So two types of storage area. One is on-premise, within your server, within your system storage. Second one, cloud, somebody else's storage area. And Power BI proudly announced a slogan since 2013 to 2016 to attract market people. We support any type of data, these three. We support any format data, these two. And we support any storage data, these two. So any type, any format, any storage. First picture is clear. So Power BI slogan and the support. Next, coming to IT applications. So many types of IT applications available. But as a business intelligence resource, analytical resource, decision-making resource, you need to have knowledge on two types. One is business running application. Second one, business running application. Second one, business analysis. You started a small departmental store in your hometown. You want to run your business smoothly. Definitely you go for one IT application purchase. And that applications are called business running application. Since they will give you transactions, transaction slips. So we can also call them transactional applications. So you are using PhonePe, GPay. At the end, what is the message you receive? Transaction successful, transaction added. You are booking movie ticket, train ticket, and many other. What is the message you receive? Transaction successful. So these all come under business running applications or transactional applications. And technically, in Qt, we call OLTP, online transaction processing. So your IRCTC, your Book My Show, your PhonePe, GPay, your bank transfer, online money transfer, all come under OLTP applications. Take an example, IRCTC ticket booking. When you book a ticket, PNR number, amount, number of passengers, start date, end date, train number, this kind of information only we will keep. But how? See guys, general public use these applications. Only general public. And they use forms, maybe in the web, desktop, mobile. And we book movie tickets and nowadays in the mobile only. We'll install the app, we'll book it. Some people website, some people they go to counters. So general public use these applications in the forms, and finally the data stored in a storage area with transaction success or failure. So we call the storage area as transactional storage area. Pure technical word. But regularly we are using this process. But we don't know the technical terminology. So here the applications in multiple platforms. And we use forms. And there will be storage in the backend, transaction storage. IRCTC, in IRCTC, Indian Railway, the backend storage is Oracle database. Book My Show, the backend storage is SQL Server. Recently, they moved to some other database, but earlier SQL Server.
How many transactions will be stored in
No, day-to-day level, we don't keep years and years, only fresh data, latest data. No, not deleted. They will move to a warehouse level. That's the next part. Right. Second kind of application is business analysis. Okay, you're running the business smoothly, fine. But what about analysis? That is second. And here, analysis, we will do it. We will add intelligence information to the business. So we call it as BA application. Example, the same information you take. While booking this kind of information, it will store PNR number, amount, number of passengers, start date, end date, train number. While booking. But at the time of analysis, this is the information you will see. Today's Tatkal, how many train tickets are booked? Which location having highest sale? Which location having lowest sale? Which region people traveled most? This kind of information. So from your normal data, this kind of data you could derive. How is it possible? And this is called analytical data, decision-making data, business intelligence data. And if you want to convert this data into this, so you need a process, business intelligence process. See, so on this data, we apply a business intelligence process and we'll maintain a storage, business intelligence storage. Finally, we will develop a report or dashboard which is suitable for the management team. And you guys, after learning Power BI, this is a process you participate. You will get the transactional data or any data, implement the business intelligence process, and then you maintain a storage, analytical storage. Here only the years and years data available, the historical data available. And in this area, always we keep fresh data. So that the day-to-day operations faster. The years and years data, historical data we maintain here, and finally report or dashboard generated and given to management team to browse in the web, mobile, and desktop. So general public management team follow same platforms, but these people use forms to perform operations, and these people use reports and dashboards for decision making. So what is your objective after learning this tool? Report or dashboard generation. And what do you implement? BA process, business intelligence process. Got clarity? So any in business intelligence project, data analyst project you take, 1, 2, 3. These 3 you find it, no other. Now let me explain what is BA a little more detailed way. So what is BA?
Business intelligence.
Simple. Technically, if you want to conclude, it is a process of converting your normal data into analytical data. So in the analytical data, what do you present? Visuals or insights? Visuals or insights. So what is the difference between them? Now we'll explain, concentrate. So any BA application you take in the market, any business intelligence tool you take in the market, they convert your normal data into decision-making data, and they present the information in the form of visuals or insights. Then what is visual? Graphical display component. What is insight? So deep data, accurate data, if you show, that is called insight. So if you open manuals of Power BI or any business intelligence, or if you go to websites for reading, you come across visual insight, visual insight, visual insight. So Power BI level during your learning or while working in the company, 4 terms you find very frequently: report to dashboard, visual insight. Then what is report? And how do we create? So take any business intelligence application. Input is data, maybe anywhere, but output is report or dashboard. And one of our friend said OBIEE. It's a BA tool which will take data, generate a report or dashboard. But the capability difference is there in Power BI. What type? I will explain now. What is report? What is dashboard? I will explain very quickly, kindly focus. Report always displays detailed data like this. And dashboard always displays high level data like this, simple line. In real time, companies may create many reports. Example, savings account in the banking organization. If you take savings account, deposit one report, savings account, withdraw one report. But coming to dashboard level, savings account analysis dashboard, where the deposits we will place, the withdraw we will place, etc. we will place. A single subject area from here will take in place. So your objective after learning Power BA or any BA tool, you work on data from anywhere, any place, but finally report a dashboard generated. I just explained high level only. Low level, I will see in the regular class. But this is clear, right? But how do we create some data to report a dashboard? We have a process. The process is called BA process, business intelligence process. So firstly, data I explain. Next, IT applications I explain. Second type of IT application is BA application. Now the BA application process I'm explaining. And BA available in the market since 90. Earlier not available. So if you want to report a dashboard from the data, there is a 4-layered process companies implementing. What is that? General public, multiple platforms, data is input data, and the data stored in transaction storage, files, databases, etc. This is the normal one. Now, if you want to see the analytical information of this, first one, this ETL process should take place. This is called layer 1, 4-layer process, layer 1. So bring the data from here, transform the data, and load the data. Extract it, transform it, load it. But where do we load? We load to second storage, huge storage area. Here only the historical data, incremental data, years and years data we maintain. So always companies implement ETL process, extract, transform, load process, and then maintain huge storage. Next, in this huge storage, complete data not good for analysis. A part of data we take for analysis. So specific data if you take and perform aggregate calculations like sum, average, minimum, maximum. Analytical calculations like rank, row number, normal distribution, chi-square distribution, such kind of operations if you do, that is called semantic storage area or cube area. Technically semantic or cube area, simply special storage area. And this is good for reporting and analysis. That's where people go. Both are databases. This is a database, this is a database. But here, the type of data arrangement is different. And that arrangement is good for analysis. Both are databases, once again I'm telling, but here the arrangement is different, here the arrangement is different. Even here the arrangement is different. One small example I will tell you. You have 2 buildings. One you want to use for residential purpose. One you want to use for godown purpose. Building only godown. Building only residential purpose. Am I right or wrong? And what makes the difference? Godown or warehouse. Godown can also be called warehouse. So when you convert a building into godown, or when you use building into godown or a godown purpose, the way internal arrangement is different. Here we maintain small rooms, less rooms, more rooms we maintain, less rooms, and more sized rooms we maintain, big sized rooms. But whereas residential house level, many rooms we maintain, small rooms we will maintain. And utilities also required in the residential house. Warehouse level, we don't use many utilities. So building only used for residential purpose, godown purpose, but the internal arrangement is different. Database only used here, 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 but the way internal data we keep is different. That I will explain in detail in the regular class, don't worry. That comes in a data modeling, data arrangement. So this is the third layer. Last one, data presentation, report or dashboard generated. And then management team comes into the picture. Management team comes into the picture to analyze it. So this is a fixed process, standard process. Any company has to follow to convert normal data into BI data. If you are new to IT, you may feel panic, but after 2 days, you feel very poor because daily we create reports in the same fashion. You want to construct a house. How do you construct? First, foundation, pillar, slab. The same process here also. For one house, if you construct, rest is the same thing. And the problem is, this process is very costly process because one tool required, one storage required, one tool required, one tool required. If any company want to implement this process in early stage, multiple tools, multiple setups, multiple people also required because tools are from different company. But one company took challenge. They decided to give a solution in a simple way, easy way. And that is Microsoft, and the solution is MSBA. MSBA is an on-premises BA, and a first BA from Microsoft in 2005, where SSIS is a tool 1, which is for this purpose. SSAS is a tool 2, which is for this purpose. SSRS is a tool 3, designed for this purpose. IS for integration services. AS for analysis services. RS for reporting services. Since it is having 3 tools, we call this as suite, or we call this as a pack. Some people say stack, MSBA stack. So Microsoft reduced the burden of multiple company tools to single suite and multiple tools. Yes, because of this reason only, Microsoft leader in the market. You don't believe? Analytics level leader is Microsoft for the last 16 years. And 2005 is the first version, and there are a couple of other versions also available. I will explain that now, concentrate. This is important, see this now. So BA evolution, so BA history. You need to know about history first. Legacy, early BA. 90s given, multiple tools, multiple setup, multiple resources, complex and costly ways. Middle age BA. 2005 MSBA, versions 5, 8, 8 to 12, 14, 16. These are the versions. Every 2 to 3 years, one version. Remember that point. MSBA, every 2 to 3 years, one version. And from this year onwards, 8 onwards, Microsoft is the leader in analytics and BA. Due to lack of knowledge, people say, hey, MSBA not having market, Power BI not having market. But leader guys. Sir, how come I believe your statements? Just Google it. So Microsoft Power BI plot. Microsoft named a leader in 2023 Gartner Magic Quadrant for analytics and BI platforms. See, but this is not a great deal, guys. This is important. We are thrilled to announce that the 16th consecutive year, Microsoft named as a leader, 16 years, because MSBA brought the leadership. See, Microsoft is the leader. These are all other components. Okay, so leader. Not only Microsoft, even if you go for Forrester Wave, this organization has said, we are excited to announce that Forrester has recognized Microsoft as a leader in the Forrester Wave as augmented BI. So this is one company. They usually rate IT applications. Earlier, I said one company, Gartner, they also rate IT applications, standard company, standards defining organizations. Before a company purchasing an IT tool, they always go to Forrester Wave or Gartner and such kind of organization recommendations. And if you see the market, now you're not able to see this, but earlier, Power BI jobs demand grow as it dominates market share. This is old link, 2021 link. In that time, it was 36%. I will show this. See, market share of top business intelligence software in 2021. Power BI 36% that time, and now 42%. So if 100 projects are there in the market, Power BI occupied 42 to 47 actually. Rest all Tableau, ClickView, ClickSense, SAP, OBA, these are all rest of the share. So do not compare Power BI with other tools. Just see the statistics, genuine statistics. Okay, good sir. So, but this leadership brought by a component called MSBA. Now one question, sir, if MSBA suite is good, multiple tools available, and it is having leadership, then why Power BI? Why Power BI? That point is important. Even when you go for interview, the first question is that only. When MSBA available, why Power BI announced? The Apple company want to give more features. For the existing phone, they will give and give a new version, but not a separate phone, right? But why Microsoft given a separate component? The reason MSBA level architecture is designed purely before the market of 2004. 2005 release. So the engine capability, engine support, market feature support before 2004. So is there any difference before and after 2004? Yes, lot of difference. Facebook announced in 2004. I don't know how many of you are aware of it. 2004, Facebook announced. Google Analytics available from 2005. And cloud available in the market from 2006. And mobile apps available, mobile and tab apps available from 2009. Mobile and tab apps available from 2009. So everything after 2004, but MSP architecture not in a position to accommodate this. Power BI level architecture is suitable for the current market, even upcoming market. Upcoming cutting edge technologies, the architecture design. Now drawbacks. MSP mostly on premises. Within your company, you need to install the servers and operate. Cloud is less. But Power BI full support to cloud and on premises is less. So I'm wrong. Full support to both. Full support to both. MSBA, 3 tools required to do the operations. Power BI level, not 3 tools. One application sufficient to perform the operations, Power BI. And MSBA level, mobile and tab friendly operations not possible. You cannot see MSBA report in the mobile level, tab level. But Power BI, yes, full support to mobile tab. You can use your mobile phone, you can scan the report and see the report. Beautiful options available. I will show you practically in the class. Limited sources support. Data input very limited, mostly structured data. But Power BI level, all types of data. And MSBA level, embedding not possible. What do you mean by embedding? Embedding means placing the application in other area. I want to show my MSBA report in Facebook level, Twitter level, my company website level, SharePoint site level, not possible. But Power BI level, easy embedding available. And MSBA level, average code compulsory to write. Power BI level, low code. And MSBA level, report visuals are very less. But Power BI level, more visuals available for better insights. And MSBI level, every 2 to 3 years, one version released. But Power BI level, monthly update available. Monthly update. Simply, to overcome these drawbacks, Microsoft decided to develop a modernized BI tool with modernized process and advanced facilities, that is Power BI. Simply adding power to the existing BI is Power BI. So definition 2, Power BI is a low-code component, less code, cloud and on-premises supported, cloud supported, on-premises supported, self-service application, which generates reports and dashboards from the data. So this is a Microsoft definition. Once again, I'm explaining. This is in PASH. Simply, you want to conclude, yeah, it's adding more power to the existing BI. But Microsoft definition, you want to speak, this is the one. It's a low-code application, cloud supported, on-premises supported. Self-service BI application, what it is, I will tell you in another 1 minute. And which generate reports and dashboards from the data. If you simply talk about Power BI, it will take data and generate report or dashboard. And what type it is? Low code. Where supports cloud and on-premises. And self-service BI application. And announced in July 2013. Monthly update we have. From July 13 to till this month, we have an update. So no version kind of culture in the Power BI. We have a monthly update. Got clarity?
Ask for MSP in introduction.
Right, sir. Now I will go to last one. Last button. MSBI is a self-service BI suite. It is a suite with 3 tools to do the operation, like converting data into decision-making data. Power BI level, we have single application. Remember, single application with concept 1 to work here, concept 2 to work here, concept 3 to work here. So Power BI, one application having multiple concepts to do this. That's why this is called self-service BI application. What is self-service? If you take a restaurant, self-service indicate we purchase a token, go to the counter, bring our food, and everything we only do it. That is self-service. So Power BI single application will bring the data and everything it can do and generate reports. This is a major reason why people love Power BI. Self-service. No need of multiple company tools. No need of Microsoft at multiple tools. Single application can do it. Got clarity? Everyone clear? So with the given spirit of Power BI, so 2013 Power BI announced. Last 3 minutes, guys. 2013 Power BI announced. Well proved as a low code. So Microsoft decided, why don't we give such kind of multiple low code components? So multiple low code components combination is Power Platform. They expected a lot. They may rule the rest. They may rule the market with this platform. And Power BI also, they joined in this platform only. So from 2019, Power BI part of Power Platform. And this was used for report generations, dashboard generation with low code. There are a couple of other as well. Power Apps, you heard about it. This is for generating mobile tab friendly apps with less code. Power Automate, it's a low code application for automated up process. Virtual Agent, it is also low code with intelligent chatbots. So when you open a website, you will find in the right hand side corner, bottom corner, how may I assist you? How can I help you? Those are chatbots. Those chatbots you want to create with less code, yes, for virtual agent. And you started a business, you want to create your website or web page very quickly, then go to Power Pages. So these are the 5 low code components available in the Power Platform. But companies not using the combinations. These 2 combinations is good in the market, but Power BI and all not. So Microsoft decided, Why don't we give one more market running combination suit? That too, artificial intelligence supportive suit. That is Fabric. What is Fabric? Fabric is an all-in-one solution. All-in-one solution where data movement to data science, real-time analytics, business intelligence, all operations you can perform. 2023 June they given. So in the data, so the Fabric level only, we have 4 components. Power BI is the first component for reports and dashboards. Data Factory is the component for data integration. Synapse is the component for data storage, analytics, warehouse, and science. Activator is the component for data monitoring, data governance. Simply, Fabric is an artificial intelligence suite with 4 components. First one is Power BI for reports and dashboards, Data Factory for data integration, Synapse for data storage and analytics, Data Activator, monitoring and governance. And so the Power BI, whatever you're going to learn from tomorrow, like downloading the software, installing the software, working the software, everything is a Fabric Power BI with AI features. And if you learn Fabric or Fabric components, you are good enough to try as a data citizen, data analyst, data scientist, data engineer. All opportunities you can try. All streams you can try. With Power BI, data citizen, data analyst, data scientist also possible with Power BI. But Data Factory and remaining, if you learn, these are good. This. So if anyone interested to add one additional skill beside Power BI, learn Data Factory or Synapse. This is good. You ask me, sir, which one is good? So Data Factory or Synapse is good along with Power BI. The reason, you will fit to Fabric. But if you ask your old friends, they will tell you different tools. MSB you learn, some other you learn. But market combination, the next feature is Fabric only. Start with Power BI. In case you want to accumulate with other tools in the Fabric. Got clarity? So in the demo session, I clearly given what is data, how many types of data available, IT application, types of IT applications, business intelligence application and history of business intelligence, legacy BI, middle age BI, modern BI, Power BI comes under modern BI. And what is Power BI? Adding more power to the existing BI. It's a low-code application, self-service BI application, cloud and on-premises services supportive application to generate reports and dashboards from the data. And this application part of Power Platform from 19. It is invented in 2013. 19 onwards, it's part of Power Platform. And now Power BI part of Fabric. Power BI part of Fabric. So if you open the last one, this is a Power BI service. This kind of accounts I will give you, don't worry. I'll go to check service status, something I'm clicking. Microsoft Fabric support. Check service status, browsing learning sources, and get technical support for Fabric and components, Power BI, Data Factory, Data Activator, Synapse Data Engineering, etc. Support for Power BI is now part of Fabric support. So this is the difference between better learning and normal learning. If you go to online portals, normal trainers, they will not cover this. But if a trainer having really good knowledge and following properly current trend, yes, they will cover all this. Say Fabric is the current one, Fabric level, Power BI, Data Factory, Data Activator, all. So whatever I plan, I'm successfully done, guys. As I said, there are 2 demo classes. First demo, I given 20 minutes recap and 40 minutes I covered this. Azure BA pending, tomorrow I will cover. And second demo, tomorrow 10 minutes demo recap I will give you. And then next 15 minutes Power BI components I will cover. Followed by practical. This is tomorrow's agenda. Please don't absent. If you want to know the exact components of Power BI given by Microsoft and a small example. I'm not telling complex grade example. Complex grade examples in the regular classes. And if you want to see the depth of practicals, what I'm going to explain, you can go through YouTube channel of our institute. There you will come to know the depth of practicals I'm going to give. So without knowing this, please do not start up your Power BI career. This understanding is mandatory. Otherwise, it will stop you everywhere. It will give you breaks everywhere. So training details, my name, my contact number, and you can call me after this class. And 50 to 60 hours, very detailed training, basics to advanced. Sir, I'm looking for fast track or one-to-one. Reach out to the reception, they will guide you on that. But I don't take fast track, I don't take one-on-one. And 1 hour training, my 1 hour equal to 2 to 3 hours for your practice. Monday to Friday classes. And Saturday, monthly 2 Saturdays, you have classes. Online, offline, both available. And institute provide daily live class video for 1.5 year access, WhatsApp communication, material theory, practical, and projects to near real time and multiple case studies. And the course is designed for the people who want to work in the real time. Interview suitable the subject, PL 300 examination the subject covers, and you want to send it your own reports also suitable. Any graduate can learn Power BI, and it's a low code component. And technical side, as a developer or BI developer, you want to try. A techno-functional as a data analyst, business analyst, you want to try. Or a data scientist, you want to try. Power BI is highly helpful. So this is about Power BI.
Sir, I already asked you actually the difference between the data analysis and the business.
This is about Power BI information. So it's a course information as well as demo files. And these are the time slots available: 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m. 5 p.m. not available now, 6 p.m., 7 p.m. The current batch is 7 p.m. batch. Tomorrow, second demo. From Saturday, we have regular classes at 7 p.m. And the batch runs for next 2 months. Okay. So I'm done with the demo. And who all not provided email ID, mobile number, kindly provide email ID, mobile number in the chat room. Also note down my contact number if you need career guidance, or if you're not clear with some content at the demo level, you can call me on that number. If you're not clear with any content, or if you need career guidance, just call me on that number. I'm at your service. I'm starting now. If you want to take your mic and ask questions, kindly ask. I will address everyone's question now.